In a serene village, nestled in the heart of a fertile valley, there lived a gentle and compassionate man named Hasan. His kindness knew no bounds, and he extended his help to everyone who crossed his path. However, he began to question whether his soft-hearted nature was always the best approach. One evening, as Hasan sat under the shade of an ancient tree, a weary traveler named Amira approached him. She had heard of his generosity and sought his advice on her own journey of self-improvement. Hasan welcomed Amira, and they sat by the trickling stream that meandered through the village. He shared an Islamic story with her. In the Quran, Hasan began, "There is guidance on how to strike a balance between compassion and assertiveness. It says, 'O you who have believed, be persistently standing firm in justice, witnesses for Allah, even if it be against yourselves or parents and relatives.'" Amira listened attentively, realizing the wisdom in these words. Hasan continued, "Being soft-hearted is a virtue, but we must also stand firm in justice and truth, even when it's challenging. It is a reminder that we should prioritize what is right over pleasing everyone." Amira reflected on Hasan's words and realized the importance of balance in her own life. Over time, she sought to strike that balance, maintaining her kind-hearted nature while also being assertive when justice demanded it. The story of Hasan and Amira serves as a reminder of the guidance found in Islamic tradition. The importance of balancing compassion with assertiveness and standing firm for justice. It teaches that while kindness is a virtue, there are moments when one must be resolute for the greater good. Hasan's compassionate nature and Amira's journey of self-improvement illustrate the Islamic principle that being soft-hearted to everyone is commendable, but it must be tempered with the strength to stand firm for justice and truth when needed.